Hello and welcome to HotStone Media. This video is about how to do an oil change on our Audi TT Mark II. The first thing you'll have to do would be to jack up the vehicle, put our axle stand on for safety, and then start taking the cover off, which is under the vehicle. The cover is fitted with whole loads of torque screws of 3 different sizes. Once the cover is off, you should be able to see the oil sump. The 3 different size screws that was holding the cover are Torx 30, Torx 25 and Torx 40. Now to open the sump bolt, the size you need is a Torx 45. Be careful of opening the sump bolt on these cars because as soon as you loosen it, the oil starts coming out. Then you'll have to take the oil filter out. Remove the cover on top of the engine. It should just clip off if you pull it. Then put an oil filter tool on top of the old oil filter, and there's a pipe in the way which you just have to pull out of the holding place so you can have more room. After you've loosened it with the oil filter tool, it should easily come off by hand. Then you should clean the area of where the oil filter is going to go on before you put the new oil filter on. Then you can just screw on the new oil filter. Then you can clip the pipe and the cover back on. After that, you can screw the sump bolt back on. After that, the cover under the vehicle, you can put it back. After you put the cover back, you can jack the vehicle down, and finally you can just put the oil in and you should be all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. I will need as much subscribers as possible in order to continue. Thank you for watching my videos.